How to delete your YouTube account on Android and iOS. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Up, First of all, update YouTube application. Launch YouTube. Tap Profile at bottom right. Now tap Google account. Now choose Data and Privacy. From top right, now choose the option of data from apps and services that you use. Now scroll down and choose Delete a Google service. Now verify that it's you by entering your screen lock. Now locate YouTube and tap Trash button. Now choose I want to permanently delete my content and check mark this options. And then choose Delete My Content button at bottom right. Now type in your email address and tap Delete My Content. After a while, your YouTube account on Android will be deleted. I hope this guide worked. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.